Hitching a ride, understanding the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today we're going to explore the phrase, hitch a ride. This common English expression is not just about transportation. It's packed with cultural nuances and can be a handy phrase to know. So, let's dive in and unpack its meaning and use. Hitch a ride refers to getting a free lift in someone else's vehicle. It's an informal way to say that you are asking for a temporary favor on the road, usually because you don't have your own means of transportation at that moment. The term hitch originally means to fasten or tie something. Historically, people would hitch their horses to a post, and over time, the phrase evolved. When you hitch a ride, you are essentially tying your travel fortunes to someone else's vehicle for a short duration. You can use hitch a ride in casual conversations. For example, I missed the bus, but I managed to hitch a ride with a friend. Are you heading downtown? Do you mind if I hitch a ride with you? Remember, it's a phrase that indicates a casual and unplanned aspect of traveling. In many cultures, hitchhiking is seen as a sign of trust and community. However, it's important to be aware of the local customs and safety considerations. Asking for a ride from strangers is less common in some places due to safety concerns. We hope this explanation helps you grasp the concept of hitching a ride. It's a phrase that's all about community, trust, and sometimes necessity. Happy learning, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep practicing.